kumno pilang baro hakan ko step ni ngadang stang ya makeup na U Blei U bangin hablet na kabentaman Pynkyntang i Khyllung dadangi ong Pynkyntang ha pokok jengi sengjongi kamot bangi Pynkyntang ban ai kerteng hakpat U Blei di hoat ya kabenta ngadang stang mande makeup wana mo ong Blei hablet makeup na U Blei ta mo chutan ya kinyang mong changa di skamjang ngan spet EP kumno kolong dalam dep makeup manang ta ngan sa create na ni kun baro ngan di kejisang tasing ke sedang prashteng step dengan laki nur baji ngan haban di sharus kamjang di tong nang continue ke makeup ya apa benta bye bye ne rule from tummy to that side idang persang hi tentang 3 months
Bamboo.
Thì những nó shing many matasgi ngalaslam as usual guys and in secondary Christening.
Eddie and Wari, who has been blessed with their second born. Okay, so we have Shillong, and now the second one is Nishael, Yasiel, Lingwa. Hey, are you ready? Oh, you are. And so, Nishael, I bless you today. The Lord bless you. And with that blessing, you will come into the fullness of your divine inheritance. With that blessing, you will be able to be fruitful in everything that you will set your hand to. You will be productive, you will multiply, and you will have authority here on earth. I commit and I dedicate you to God who says He has written all the days of your life in His book. And may you live those days. In Jesus' mighty name, Father, I pray together with Eddie and Wari, Lord, as they have been given this privilege to steward this gift that has been given to them. Both of them, I pray.
But jingkmen pastor sepang khunlung di ngalok ngadap daga jingkmen ba kaktasya ya pensin jonga iing kesem jonga di yang bynta in leit da shi ngan hadien di nipet laban krea iohi mo bynta ngalatangan ini di
sorry.
ini di ineit jangan dapat ilang parade na
GGM.
GGM
GGM.
we have yeah, so anyway nganang di soup namarba ngalatangan di pilaban tet ki bani penbiang mendak sngi ngan inak benda jong pi but ngidang yet Sibin habis keren kai no di auntie jangan menta auntie, so I call her my grandma but you know we used to call her auntie So ngidi man ong mi iet nya ringi peding ong anti kan. Amai dang samlakum I anti semua. So nga order shibun ha ki shiitake mushroom. Mabang ada ibe panglo yung mushroom. Dok hali terumbai nang ta so sauding o sa kuntay pudina kung pao chicken fried rice with shiitake mushroom again. Green rice. Alibama man. Cake mengetang ha. Jang Shillong pemahli is called a sponge cake. There's like I don't know what this is called. And you know strong everywhere. Cake or the chocolate the sweet. Pang kami. Itu apa ni asal? Ini kita enjoy bah nama cake. How many cakes did you eat today? How many? One, three. Tapi nak. Ubah dua sekali. My dear, smile, However, the only crime I'm doing right now is making them think that it's a picture. However, it's a video to go on my blog. Thank you.
I did not consent to this. I did not consent. No.
Bynta kasi kalau sudah tak sendur. Kalian seperti Sharo. Tolong sananganku. Come now, Sammy, come let's have tea. Only that tea, only tea. Irish coffee. This guy is known for his Irish coffee. His signature service. Ani kata ka food kompor. Susuk po ba yan? Riman yan khunlung.
Oh, khunlung thì cạnh này chưa?
Perfection, no?
Show how to do. Keep your legs straight. Hi video.
Hi video.
How are you?
How are you?
Nashaya. Hey. Hey. Hi. Wow.
Saya nak khas dia.
Sister,
Ini pos ah?
lihat kecil of you.
Okay, don't do anything. Just look.
Don't do anything, just look.
No cheese, nothing. Just look at them.
Look at this boy.
You say, what is that on my face? Nashaya. Hi. Hi.
Come on, ta show the boy mà. Ta show.
Cheese.
Tumsi kong edi.
Ta show.
Mana itu Mario? Mana itu Mas?
Coba rati kajan. Kajan dia lebih perlu sport.
Tiap day bersni.
Face the camera last.
Last month. Last month kan?
Hold Pama cool. Like how Nana and Papa hold the baby, no, like that, okay?
Why you have to do it? That's fine.
แต่คนเป็ดกี่ตะกี้ trees เป็ดกี่เดียงกี่ seed เป็ดอยากตะกี้sngi Ite, kilo kiba. But the sky is so blue. Now, I will tell you what your name means, okay? Kateng jong pi, in the shayel, yasiel, lingwa. So, kamu you're in the shayel, yasiel, lingwa. The shayel, kashimna, kakateng, jong, kaway, kakantin na po. Nang ka-Hebrew mo, nishunang, nakatin Hebrew ka po mo, neshama, breath of life. And then, nes also, kamot miracle. But nang ta, sha, el, means U Blei U I, sngi. So your name means the breath of life given by God, entrusted to us, and we will take care of you. Ma, Yasiel Pade is another Hebrew name, which means made by God. So katare kakateng jong pi, jingmut, mamate ay concoction of all the meanings, but it carries the most significance. Okay? Lingwa pa dito kaya title nga ma. Always kan mga kata. Manfay ya ka pa mata mo ang kuplay sibon ya ka jingshim bynta jong pi ha ka pa finpet ya ka ni ka video jong nga ti nga kyrpang sngewtynnad ya ka ni but to kan ay min si me pi ha ka ba piniyo ya ka ta ka jingngeit ka ba pura ha U Blei ha ka ba uti siya mapintip siya ba U Blei U bale iki kambah kuma wala le ikam kambah ha ka jingim jonga ka kyrpang ru ba U Blei undang yai bu yaki eki ba ha ka jingim jong pi ru. Bye bye see you, ta ta.